So guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to withdraw your money from Legiit once you have been paid on this platform. So what you have to do is hover your link on this menu, go straight to withdraw funds or earnings, or just click on the amount on your account that is showing right here. If you click on that place, it's going to take you straight to where you can withdraw your funds. So it's going to bring you here. So what you now have to do is to request a withdrawal. Once you click on request a withdrawal, it's going to ask you to select an account to send your funds to. So I'll be withdrawing with Payoneer because this is the account I've already verified with Legiit. I didn't verify my PayPal with it. I just want to receive my money through Payoneer and Legiit. But if you want to use PayPal, you can also go ahead and link your PayPal account to Legiit so that you can be able to safely withdraw your money straight to here. And withdrawing money from Legiit to any other account like PayPal or Payoneer is very seamless. Once you have clicked here, just put in the amount, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. So they said withdrawal limit is 1,000 naira per day. Amount is required. Please enter minimum of $20 per Payoneer for Payoneer. So if you want to withdraw a Payoneer, if you want to withdraw money from this account to your Payoneer, you have to be withdrawing up to $20 and above. And you can't withdraw more than $1,000 per day. That's what they are saying here. Withdrawal limit is $1,000, and the minimum amount you can withdraw is $20. So that's the thing. Like if I click here, I have $1,290 on this account. So if I click all right now, you see what will happen. It's going to put this in, but it's going to first day is going to pay me $1,000. It's not going to pay me this full money that you're seeing right here. So there is no need of trying to do that. So what I have to do here is let me withdraw 500. Okay, let me withdraw 1,000. So this is $1,000. So that let me withdraw $1,000 from here right now, and I will send it straight to my Payoneer account. So you see Payoneer charges $3 fee per withdrawal. Like if you come here to my Payoneer account that I set up for Legiit, you go straight here, you see all my Legiit payment is coming. I will withdraw $1,000, but what they will send is $997 because Payoneer, like they said here, Payoneer charges $3 fee per withdrawal. So those are the $3 they are removing here. You see Legiit $997, you see another Legiit $997, you see another Legiit here. The money I'm receiving on Legiit. Okay, this is where they stop for the now. I think if I go to show more transaction, you will see it. All the money I'm withdrawing from Legiit, they are taking $3 from it, which is their processing fee for Payoneer. So once I have done here, okay, I'm withdrawing $1,000, send it to my Payoneer. They will take $3. I'll just click on send request. So as you can see, as I clicked here, they are telling me that your request has been sent. After being manually reviewed, it will be sent to your withdrawal method within 72 hours. But guys, trust me, these guys don't spend more than 24 hours to send your funds to your account. Like sometimes they even do it very fast. I think it depends on their time zone or whatever they are working on. Sometimes it can even be under 2 hours, 3 hours, they have already sent your money. But I have not experienced where my phone stays longer than a day before they be able to send it to my account. Okay, so once you do this, you can click on close, or you can click on withdrawal history. Anyone you click. If I click on close right now, you see it's going to refresh, and this one, the $1,000 will be gone. You see $1,000 is already gone here, and it's $290 remaining. As you can see here, it's showing me $1,000 pending. It's going to my Payoneer account. So yes, that's it, what I want to show you, and that's how you can be able to safely withdraw your money from Legiit. I hope this video helped you out. See you guys in my next video.